like 5 days, you know.
What products you use in my hair?
Yeah. The main ones that I'm trying to get.
Hey, when a category is face, you bitches ain't in the race. Okay.
What's up, y'all? So today we're doing a what is it? God damn it. What is that? Oh, we're gonna do like a frontal install, story time type of thing. Yeah. At first I was just gonna do like a hair tutorial type of thing, but no, I told you guys I was gonna do a story time. Where's client story time? So first of all, I want to thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Okay? Thank you. So, yeah, so I just wanted to start off this story time by saying that this happened when I was pregnant, okay? I was I think 9 months pregnant. Almost 9 months. I was like 2 weeks early when I had him, okay? So, I was 18 at the time, and it was in November, obviously. And this lady had hit me up. She wanted a custom wig made. She wanted like a brownish color, like a sandy brown type of wig with curls in it, and you know, just the install. Pause. So I did want to point out that this lady has been indecisive from the start. And at this time, I mean, I still do. I offered like if you bought a wig, the install is free. With that being said, she purchased the wig. You had to pay ahead of time, and then you come. The installs were complimentary, like they weren't even included. Okay, let me like make that clear. So yeah, I was eight months pregnant, 8 months and a few weeks. I don't know the time anymore, but yeah, I believe her install was set for November 14th, and my due date was November 25th. But on the 13th, I had let all my clients know that I'm contracting. I'm going to go to the doctor and see what happens. If nothing's like wrong, then I'll like take all you guys. I'll do your hair. And everybody was completely fine with that. Everybody was like, okay, yeah, go ahead, like worry about the baby. Except for this one lady. Y'all, at like 3 a.m., this lady texts me back and she cussing me out, talking about like, you're gonna ruin my birthday. I didn't even know you were pregnant. Like a whole bunch of like extra stuff, right? Mind you, it had like my pregnancy, like it was all in my bio. When you booked, it was there. All my clients knew. This lady was new. She was a first time customer, okay? Fast forward, I went to the hospital. They said I was in early labor, not active labor. So I let all my clients know that. And then I didn't end up taking all my clients for the day. I took that lady as well, even though she did cuss me out. I was like, I wanted to have good customer service. This is when I first started. Again, so yeah, this is when I first started. And also I want to apologize that how like the voiceover is like kind of choppy or whatever. I'm sorry. It's just, I told y'all in my last video, I'm new at this is so hard, like you guys don't understand. Back to the story. So I was in labor for like 28 hours, I believe it was, or like around that time. And I did take all my clients for that day. Now when we got to her appointment, she was the last client, okay? I just wanted to let y'all know that her wig was colored, curled, and everything. It was ready when she first got there. Like she literally could have just picked it up, right? But she was like, wow, if you cancel on me, then I'm gonna have to pay somebody $300 for an install. This is such an inconvenience. Blah, blah, blah. Don't get me wrong. I completely understand that it's an inconvenience, but I am in labor. There's a life on the line. Like whatever you got going on, it could wait. But she did tell me it was her birthday. This bitch was turning 40, okay? And like, oh my god, this story is horrible. Another thing, I did offer her a refund and she did not accept. So yeah, she was turning 40. It was her birthday. She has a son of her own, right? She's a child. She's a mother, okay? She's giving birth. So she knew exactly what I was going through. Pause. So you see right here, this is my friend Bundles. Go shop with her at Shop Oh My Hair. I'm gonna put her Instagram in the bio. And yeah, make sure you check out her bundles. She has like the best mink hair, okay? And then she also has HD closures and lace fronts, okay? So just check her out. Thank you. Back to the story once again. And so she was Mexican. Not saying that means anything, but I mean they kind of do. She was like a Mexican lady or whatever she was. I don't think she was any type of black. Her hair was messed up. You know when people bleach their hair and it gets dead? That's what it was. That's what it was giving, okay? So anyways, she came to the appointment. I was contracting the whole time. I had to take all my clients for that day, including her. And then fast forward, like in the middle of her appointment, my water breaks. And my mom is with me, my grandma's with me, and the client, okay? So my water broke. I stood up. I was like, oh my gosh, you guys, like my water just broke. And then all you see is like water leaking from me, okay? Sorry, y'all. So another thing I forgot to mention was my mom was there. She helped me with all my clients. And my grandma was like trying to comfort me the whole time. My mom, she did most of my braid downs for me, and she like really helped a lot that day. But I could barely remember from that day like what happened because it was just so much pain going on, and that lady really inconvenienced me. Like she paused my fucking childbirth. She turned around, looked at me, and rolled her eyes hella hard. Do you hear me? Rolled her eyes so freaking hard. Do you hear me? I was like, well, damn, bitch. Anyways, so I continue on her hair. I continue on her damn hair, you guys. I continued for at least an hour, and you know, after your water break, you're contracting like every minute. Okay, they were so close together. Another thing, if you do not know, the contractions hurt more than pushing the baby out of your cooch. Just to let you know, it hurts more. I really wanted to finish this lady's hair. Like, I was like, I'm almost there. I'm almost done. Like, well, I could do it. So, she's getting a glueless install for this wig, okay? So I put it on her head. We're literally like 2 minutes away from being done. It's curled. It's everything, okay? We're just waiting for the last like layer of got to be to dry. And like I said, I'm contracting every minute now. So I have another contraction while we're waiting, okay? So during this contraction, this lady turns around and she's like, this is effing ridiculous. Like, are you serious? Because I'm having a contraction, okay? This is freaking ridiculous. Then she pulls off the damn glueless wig. And I'm like, what the fuck? Pause. Look at this lace. It's laid like the fuck. Do you hear me? Also, like behind her ear right there, there's like a little you can see her cap or whatever. I did fix that in the end. I don't think I got footage of it, but I did want to show you guys that. Oh, and right here I corrected a mistake. So I didn't put enough glue, so all you gotta do is lift it up, add some glue. Back to the story. So yeah, she rips the fucking wig off, and then at that point I'm done. It's been an hour. My baby's like in between my legs right now, and then the hospital is like 15 minutes away. But y'all won't believe the fucking traffic took like 45 minutes to get there. Okay, so when I did get to the hospital, I was 8 centimeters dilated. Okay, and if you don't know anything about pregnancy, you go up to 10 centimeters. Okay, so he was sitting right there. Okay. But after she rips the wig off, I'm like, okay, you have to go. And this is all during my contraction. I'm like, you have to go. Absolutely, you have to go. And I told my mom, I said, Mom, get her. And when I told my mom to get her, that means beat her ass, okay? But my mom, she wanted to be respectful. She thought I was trying to be business oriented. But after the bitch ripped the wig off and I'm in this pain, Mom, you could have killed her for all I care, okay? Anyway, so I go to the hospital. I tell the bitch to leave. And I used to be in a salon suite. I had my salon, and then like there was other people around me. So she went to like other doors and kept asking them to do their hair. And like she basically was trying to like spread like my business around the salon. But like we were like a family there. Like everybody knew everything. And yeah, everybody knew everything. Everybody knew I was pregnant. Everybody knew I was young. Everybody knew like I was a hustler, period. Anyways, yeah, so like every time she would go into a room, they would kick her right the fuck out. And then at that point, I left. I didn't give a fuck what she did. I left and went to the hospital, had my son. Okay, and after I left, she continued to text me and like harass me. She like the same day that I left, she was like you're a horrible hairstylist, you're a child. I should have never trusted you with my money. Just stuff like that. She texted me. She even said, I hope the labor pains kill you. I put her on mute. I did not care. Like people be talking, I do not be caring. Do you hear me? Yeah, but she was evil or whatever. She even said that she was gonna go up to the salons and have like hand out flyers and stuff like that and just like bash us and everything. So then the we got our lawyers involved. That's what happened. Yeah, we got our lawyers involved, and the bitch left us alone because she ain't got no money. Like we even found out that she has her own business, like she's a masseuse or something like that. I really don't know. But also she had her friends texting me, her little booty ass husband. Mind you, this wasn't even her husband. She tried to make me feel bad, talking about she's a single mother. Why would I do this to her and stuff like that? And like this man was texting me. He was like, yeah, I paid for her hair. This is my wife. This and that. So how the fuck are you a single mother and this guy saying you're his wife? I put it together. That was her fucking sugar daddy, and she didn't pay for shit. Anywho, if I see her, it's bad. Like she better hope I don't find her because like for real, like she did way too much. And her friends was texting me. She was posting me everywhere. And like I said, I did not care. I had a fucking newborn baby. He was so damn handsome. I'm gonna insert pictures of him because that's my stink. Look at Legend. That's my stink, y'all. He is 1. His birthday is November 15th. And another thing, they do share a birthday. And yeah, that's just the story. That's like the worst thing, I think, because like how could you be so rude and I'm like finna have a baby, like it's I couldn't even control that. And like I don't know, I just felt like she was just being like really super evil, especially to say that she hope it kills me. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. And a few days after, I did tell her that if she wanted a refund, just bring the wig back. And honestly, I don't know if I was like trying to set her up and beat her ass when she got there, or like what I was trying to do. But I know I was like really going to give her a refund, but she was like really giving me a hard time. And then she said I didn't even take the wig with me. She said I threw that outside, blah, 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 right? Lie, because we have fucking cameras. Like, don't do that. I can see it. You girl, you took that wig with you. Don't play with me.
Okay.
Look up really quick. Just what happened? Is it on? Oh. That's cute. Yep. I took screenshots from the videos too.
I gotta make sure I got some hits. Good.
Another thing is, yes, I did do her nails, so that's why she's showing them off.
My pixie
inside your trunk. I'ma get you drunk, get you love drunk off my hump. My hump, 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 my lovely little lumps. Check it out.
Looking good and standing tall. Be lying blind like your pictures off your wall.